Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I will show you how to easily change the remote UI language on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657. So first, what you guys want to do is enable the printer and go to the home page just like me. You guys can click either two of those buttons if the home screen is not your main page. Now let's go over and click to the menu. Go to the preferences and here go to the display settings. Here we will have the remote UI language, and as you guys can see, here we can choose a lot of languages. So for example, I'll choose, say, Polish. And now, as you guys can see, those settings are changed. So now I'll show you how to easily change them on the web page. So here we are at the main page. Now what we need to do is we need to go over to the settings and registration right here on the right side. And now we need to wait for it to load. So after loading it, let's go to the display settings, and here we will have the remote UI language. As you guys can see, is already applied to Polish, and now we need to click on edit, and here we can change it back to English. Let's click OK, and as you guys can see, now this setting is changed. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.